Hey, guys.
Hey, Kevin.
How's it going?
So what have you found up here?
Well, a bit of a surprise. Now, when I looked up from the ground, I could see the drain about 3 courses down. When I saw that, I knew that this was a parapet wall with flashing down below in here. All right, what we didn't expect to find is it's filled with dirt.
And why is that? Where'd that come from?
Well, it was probably used as a planter. The problem is the dirt is blocking the drain right here. So you can see the drain is here and the water's not coming out. So this becomes all flooded.
That's been clogged, and so Frank, maybe this explains all that water damage that's eaten away at your beautiful windows downstairs.
That would make sense.
Yeah.
All right, so what are you thinking about for a solution?
Well, I think we need to remove all the dirt and solve the problem by sealing it with a roofing membrane.
All right, well, Frank, you are in good hands. You don't need me, so I'm going to take my leave. See you.
All right, talk to you later. All right, Frank, here's the roofing material that we're going to line the parapet with. This is actually a torch roofing, so we're going to melt the back and stick it to the flashing up there.
Okay, this will adhere to any surface?
It'll adhere to any surface at all. We got to make it hot, it melts, and it sticks.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to start with 4 pieces. I'm going to do 1 piece for the outlet,
Okay.
another piece for this first corner, then a long piece for the center, and another piece for the furthest corner. Because what I want to start low and overlap each joint as it goes high.
I see.
All right? So now I'm going to cut. All right, so now what I've done is I've cut the pieces and dry fit them up here so they look pretty good. What I need to do now is remove the pieces one at a time so I can now heat them up and slide them in. All right, Frank, it's running really good there. So now, if Tamiko wants to put plants out here, I recommend not filling this up with soil, but leave them in pots.
Okay, as long as she has flowers, she'll be happy.
There you go.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.